Hi everyone, this is Bobby. This is the finished nostalgia album for Country Craft Creations. The paper is by Authentique. This was for a design craft project for Tammy over at Country Craft Creations. Since that time she asked me to join her team full-time, which I'm really excited about. I just love the products that she carries. But this was for a one-time guest design package, and she sent me the nostalgia, like I said, from Authentique. I used one of my dies I had in my stash, and I just cut a scallop circle to set the Santa off. And I went over it with Winka Stella, if you can see the sparkle there. And I had this little chipboard element in my stash, along with the reindeers. And then I used some of my scraps to make this banner. And she did send the ribbon and the tulle. And then I had this burlap in my stash. I used this stripe on the spine and just spelled out Merry Christmas with some of the little tiles from Tim Holtz that I had in my stash. And then on the back I used the holly and berry print, and it says, "I'll be home for Christmas, if only in my dreams." If you remember, that's a Bing Crosby song. Okay, so let's look inside. I have fastened it with 3 ribbons that she sent. The green, the red, and the cream. They're so pretty. On the inside, I did her lay flat pocket on the front and the back cover. And I don't have anything in them at this moment. As you can see, there's 3 pockets here. And the back is the same way. On page 1, these little cutter parts and tags hold this shut. It opens like this, and then you have a long photo mat inside. And each one of these will hold more than what I've got in it. And that just holds it shut. And I used a little die that I had in my stash to cut this little slot, but you can do it with a craft knife, and it's in my tutorial that follows this walkthrough, how to do that. So then we flip that page over. I just want to make sure I'm in frame. We flip this over, and on the back side you have 2 angled pockets, and I had these little dots in my stash, and I just have 2 cut aparts in each one of them. And I don't have any magnets in this album whatsoever. That was my goal this time. No magnets. These pieces are from the sticker sheet that came with the collection. And then on this page, I did a see-through pocket. I just cut the frame, and then I cut a graphic 45 tag to go in here. Yeah, there it goes. I need to put a little bit more glue right there. But you can put your tag in there. That pretty, and tie ribbon to it. I'll have to put a piece of ribbon on that. And then when you flip it over, this is the puppy page. Most of us have cats or dogs, pets of one type or another, and so I thought it would be cute to have a pet page in your album. And on the left side of the pet page, I have cut aparts, a little girl sleeping, and just a little tag, and that is with an old punch that I had in my stash. This one is just one of the cut aparts, and I added a little border at the top, and I just cut the corners. It's not with any punch or tag, but glue stuck over me. And this piece came from the collection. So this little pocket holds everything down. This one flaps up, and this one flaps to the left. So it gives you quite an assortment of places to put different photos and journal. So there's that, and this, and this, and that holds it down. So on this side we have a double corner pocket. Let me move it here, make sure I'm in frame. Yes, a double corner pocket. This says Happy Holidays from our paws to yours. Isn't that cute? And I've just added some more of those little dots I had in my stash. And this one says For Christmas. A lot of kids ask for puppies for Christmas. And then I have a piece of the acrylic here on the back side of that pocket, which helps to hold these down. It says, "Dear Santa, please bring me squeaky toys, treats, and no clothing, please." Isn't that cute? And then these have little small photo mats on them. And the acrylic will flap over the top of that. And then this helps hold it down. So then we flip over and we have a double side pocket. And these little tags hold the flaps shut. Got some more of the little enamel dots. And I don't have anything in these pockets right yet. But there's plenty of room for photos and journaling. And we have another cut apart here. It just says Merry Christmas, and it's on a piece of ivory cardstock. I used all the artisan cardstock for this album. It is so nice to work with. Holly ivy hanging up and something good in every cup. Isn't that cute? And then this one is just a repeat of the other side. Little tags. And another one. Okay, so there's that. And then to the other side. Actually went backwards, flopped over backwards. These are just the cut aparts, and I filled in with scraps of paper. And then on the back side of each one you've got 4 little opportunities for photo and journaling, and these are open so that you can slide a photo on the larger part. And on this side we have 2 pockets cut right into the paper. That way you don't have to have so many mats. This is just a small mat with a little washi tape trim, and this is from the cut apart sheet. Just goes in the pocket there. And this one is just a repeat of that, just the snowman. And then when these open out, you have a large place for several photos. Let's see, am I still in frame? Yep. I'm actually staying in frame this time. Yay for me. Okay, and then we'll turn this page over. And then we have a pocket, a side pocket here. And this has a little folder in it. It also has a cut place in it. And I just have a photo mat and a cut apart in there. This is just a plain photo mat. Oh, I'm going to cover up the puppy though, because he's cute. And then on the inside I wanted it to look like when you open a book or a magazine. I have 3 little areas there for photos or journaling. And then it shows the whole sale. I was going to put pockets down here, but I didn't want to cover any of this up, so I didn't. And the back is just plain. And then you have more photo mats here or journaling. On this side, excuse me, we have a triple pocket, and these lay flat as well. Just cut aparts in each pocket. Put that one here. So there's that. And this flaps over this way. We have a pocket here again with a large cut apart, just on the ivory artisan cardstock. And then I have a little booklet here. My ribbon got kind of mashed though. And it opens like this. And then like that. So a lot of more photo opportunities. And then it just ties up. And goes back in this pocket. Then on the back is just a repeat of the front, but this opens up. And we have 3 photo opportunities here, and then a cut in the paper with 3 more cut aparts. So that is my album. I was really pleased with it. I love the way it turned out. And these papers were awesome to work with. I haven't done a lot with Authentique in the past, but I have a feeling I will in the future because it has been so awesome to work with. So this just goes back like this, and you can see that it pinches together. There's plenty of room in here to add your photos. So it just ties back up. Like that. And there you go. That is my album. I'm just really pleased with it, and I'm anxious to hear what you all think, so I hope you'll leave me a comment. And if you haven't subscribed, be sure you do that so you see the new things coming up in the future, because I will be doing more for Tammy. Alright, thanks for watching, everybody. Have a great day, and I will see you in the next video. Bye now.